Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday, 6 September 2020 and thumbnail में से पता चल ही गया रहेगा. So guys, GoPro की कैमरा डेड हो गई and I'm recording on my OnePlus 8 Pro now. My son is holding the phone and we have reached Moto Republic. And ये रहे रजत भाई. सो गाइज मैंने फाइनल कर लिया अभी ये हेलमेट. इट इज़ SMK फोर्स एंड साइज़ लिया है मैंने लार्ज है ये एंड इट इज़ 1650 mg 1650 ग्राम्स नॉट mg. सो ये ब्लू कलर एवरीवन नोज इट्स माय फेवरेट कलर. मेरी पहले की डोमिनार भी सेम थी, अब वो चली गई है लेकिन ये कलर रहेगा मेरे पास तो आई वोंट मिस इट कम्प्लीटली. सो दैट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल हेलमेट. सो जो भी मेरे MT पे लगा है शायद आई ट्रांसफ़र टू दिस वन एंड रेस्ट आपको थोड़ा वॉक अराउंड बताता हूँ फॉर रजत सर्स शॉप. सो he's got studs, he's got SMK, he's got Axor here, he's got HJC, he's got all kind of touring bags and packages. थोड़ा रजत सर से ही सुनते हैं. हेलो रजत.
Hi. So yeah, we have actually range for all the customer. मतलब जो जिनका बजट ज़्यादा नहीं है, जिनका बजट भी है. एक चीज़ हमने कोशिश करी है कि ऐसा हेलमेट दे दो सबको जो सेफ हो, एटलीस्ट इसी एटलीस्ट हो. सो आप मेरी शॉप पे अगर देखोगे तो आपको वेगा नहीं दिखेगा. आई एम नॉट डिनाइंग कि वेगा, बट फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग पर्सनली वेगा इज नॉट अप टू आवर मार्क. सो हमने इसलिए केवल स्टड्स रखे हैं, दैट टू अ वेरी लिमिटेड मॉडल्स, बिकॉज वो एक जनरल पब्लिक के लिए वो चाहिए होता है आपको. उसके बाद जो हमने नेक्स्ट सिलेक्शन किया था, जो सेकंड नेक्स्ट था वो हमारा SMK था. द रीजन वाई वी वेंट टू SMK इज 2 reasons था. तो एक था दैट्स द ओनली हेलमेट इन दिस रेंज जो कि EC अप्रूव्ड आपको मिलता है.
राइट.
प्लस द वैल्यू फॉर मनी टैग फॉर दिस SMK. आपको जो भी एक्सेसरीज चाहिए SMK की, बीइंग एन इंडियन कंपनी, इज ऑल अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट and all available with a very cheap cost.
So that is one very big plus point.
Plus the another plus point for SMK is it comes with a pre-fitted pin lock, which is
so that's nice.
Cost for around 600 rupees if you want to take extra
a new one
from the market. Yes.
Okay.
So आपको अगर आप देखेंगे तो 3800 rupees के हेलमेट में आपको 600 rupees का सिर्फ पिन लॉक मिल रहा है.
So that's very good value for money.
So that's how we decided to keep SMK on our store. The next helmet which we choose for ourselves is for our store is Axor. Because again coming from a safer point of view, it has a EC plus DOT both certification. It comes with a pin lock sticker, not pin lock. I mean Axor दूसरा नाम देता है इसको.
Okay.
But it is an anti-fog visor.
Okay.
It comes with sun visor also. And डिजाइन आप देख ही रहे हैं Axor की, one of the best
ये तो
designs
सबसे फेमस अभी जो चल रहा है.
Yeah. So they have recently launched.
They call this Venom, right?
Yeah.
So the venomous range.
Recently they have come up with a new range called Grid.
Okay.
So this is their Grid. This is available in matte black, matte and gloss as well. Currently we don't have gloss.
Okay.
Because it's always high on.
But मिल जाएगा, right?
मिल जाएगा. Yes. They have another range called Sharpo. It's again a very famous helmet.
Okay.
Available in both matte and gloss. I have the gloss as well.
So you can see good amount of ranges here. और HJC भी है, right?
HJC, yes. HJC is our childhood favorite. And जब से हमने decide किया bike ride का चालू किया, तब से HJC was our favorite.
Yeah. So introduce Rajat. Sorry for interrupting him. He owns a Dominar and is part of our Pune Dominar groups also and Road Nomad groups. His partner is Rajat and Prashant. Sorry, he's Rajat and Prashant है. उनके पास Duke 390 है and he's part of both are part of Road Nomad groups also. So if you guys wanted to know who is Rajat, he's the right man.
So that's what we have.
Okay.
Plus we have a great range of again riding gears. We have Solis, Rhinox, we have some Revs also.
Okay.
We have Rida as well.
Okay. So सभी jackets वगैरह भी हैं.
Yeah. So all the blue color jackets are all Solis.
These are all Solis. Okay.
Orange ones are Rhinox.
Rhinox. और इनकी approximate price range क्या होगी?
So I mean good level 2. So when we open this store, we have actually thought of putting those only who comes good in our own criteria.
Okay.
So we have started. Our range starts from 6,500, which is Solace Rival and Air GT for
Okay.
Rhinox.
Okay.
So Air GT Rhinox is 6350, which we personally think कि आपको इतना तो at least
Minimum लेना चाहिए. Right.
Because they have a good safe tech level 2 armors
Okay.
throughout. I mean back, shoulder and elbow.
Good. Okay.
So that is what we have right now. We have then Tornado, we have Urban and also we have Stealth Evo, Storm Evo, and in Solace we have Rival, we have Saber, we have Furious. This
Okay.
again, Furious is the only jacket within 12,000 range जो आता है आपका 700 के साथ.
आई थिंक यहाँ पे अपने बंदों ने लिए 2 या 3 बंदों ने. सॉरी वी हैव टू पॉज क्योंकि वो गिर गया. सो दिस आई थिंक 2 or 3 guys bought them together, right? So
Furious
DHP
is
guys.
again a very good helmet. I mean very good jacket. The only jacket within 12,000 range जो आपको 7 तक देता है throughout.
Okay. Nice.
Sastas is again, if you are into this industry, you should know that Sastak is one of the best armors
Okay.
available. I mean, आपको Sastak मिलेगा almost 20,000 से ऊपर की रेंज में. सारी
So Solace is giving it at 12,000.
Solace is the only brand जो आपको 12,000 की जैकेट में Sastak दे रहा है.
Dirham. Okay, that's nice. You also have lubes and
Puto line as well.
okay. Putuline के ऑयल्स है, हेलमेट सैनिटाइजर है. गुड नाइट स्टफ.
And then we have a luggage section here. We again the same brand sort of. We have bags from Ramco for the customers who can't afford much.
Okay.
For those Ramco saddles, sport saddles comes for around 4,000 plus.
Okay.
But then we have Solace Matrix.
Okay.
This comes for 5,000 rupees. And then we have Rhinox. We have Invictus also.
Invictus also.
Invictus is again one brand which we actually find it very value for money.
Yeah, I've heard
And very
lot.
practical also.
Yeah, so I have put a few videos for Invictus. Those who want, you can check out those also.
And yes, the one of the brand which we
This is Rhinox also,
this is
correct?
all Rhinox. We have Rida rainproof cover also
Okay,
for Rhinox for Dominars and other bikes.
okay. So guys, these are pure leather gloves from Solace and carbon
Solace.
fiber.
Knuckles and
Knuckle
DP,
guards and-
SPS production.
Nice. So these are around at 3,000.
3,600.
3,699.
Good options in gloves as well.
Okay.
First of all, we'd like to highlight Solace Carbon Tech, which is again a pure leather gloves. You can see here. These comes with carbon fiber knuckles, SPS,
Okay.
carbon fiber, and everything. This is again a pure leather.
Pure leather gloves.
We have some for city rides. We have some gloves from the House of Solace also. Again, this comes for around 1,400 rupees.
Okay.
These are all city rides.
City ride gloves.
City ride gloves. And then we have a section. We have a rain
Waterproof.
waterproof gloves as well from Solace.
Okay.
Uh,
So 2,900.
Yeah. So one which unfortunately Solace has stopped. My personal favorite is this one.
Okay.
This was Citro. I've got one pair left. This comes with Nox armors, Nox
Okay.
SPS production, and carbon fiber knuckles.
Nice.
This was very value for money again. Cost for around 3,200 rupees.
3,200.
And then we have a regular stuff from Rhinox.
Okay, from Rhinox too. It's on the other side.
This side. So all four type of Rhinox gloves. We
Okay.
have Urban, again Rainbow color. We have ARGT Rhinox,
Okay.
and this is again Urban. So Urban
Okay.
and ARGT are the two.
You got riding jeans also.
We've got Solace riding jeans as well. They are
Okay.
gravel. They call it gravel. This comes for around 5,600 rupees.
Okay.
And the best part of this is it comes with the Power Tector level 2 armor.
Almost. So guys, मेरा हेलमेट हो चुका है पैक. I'm headed for home and रजत भाई के शॉप का लोकेशन I'll leave it in the video description. Please do visit him if you need any of the accessories or gears that I showed you.